What are you doing? Entertaining himself with pillows and a blanket. Are you tired now? Are you being silly? What is my silly boy doing? What are you trying to do? Is this how they teach you to drink at the Baxters? I don't think so. I don't think they teach you to drink this way. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Can you smile? Can you give me a big smile? There's a big smile. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's a big smile. Such a good boy. What'd you do? You got water on there? Did you get water on there? Was it fun? Did you have a good time? Can you smile again? Give me that big silly smile. No? Oh, Bennett number 2. Here we go. What, are you caught? You trapped in there? You need help? Almost got it. Oh boy. Yeah, almost got it in there. We have a new thing that you found. I did not give this to you. You found it on the floor. It was buried in the living room. I wonder how it got there. Yeah, you're getting close. You're going to open that door real soon, huh? Yes, you are. I know. You've been watching, and you're going to do it. I know. It's coming, huh? I know. Yeah, I can see. You're really working it. No, you can't have that camera.